Muthoni wa Mukiri is said to be expecting a baby. Na ndeto ici iraumanire na arũmĩrĩri ake kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook, kũrĩa one of her followers had asked her gĩtũmi gĩake kuma YouTube, why she has not been posting videos on YouTube. Akĩmũria come back to YouTube kindly mso ulituacha hivyo tu. Na Muthoni wa Mukiri aramũreplaĩra akĩmwĩra atĩ ndakoretwo akĩigua wega, saying I've been unwell, I will be back soon, nimewamiss sana. Na kumania na hau ndereti nene muno iratuthũka in the comment section, kũrĩa arũmĩrĩri aingĩ a Muthoni wa Mukiri marauga atĩ she is expectant. And taking a look at some of the comments that her fans gave, Carol Jackson wrote, come on, show us the growing belly, we wanna congratulate you mso. Na Beverly arauga Muthoni Mukiri typing mimba. Na Keshix Wainaina arauga Muthoni Mukiri quick recovery dear, and if it's what we may think, congrats. Na Carolina Devi Wangari arauga mimba sio ugonjwa, okay. Na Martha Njoki arauga pole, mtu kuwa hivyo akiwa na mimba ya miezi, okay. Na Margarita Ngugi arauga something is cooking in the oven, lol. Na Rebecca Wagesi arauga pole, hiyo ni nausea, I'm observing the canoes, hehe. Na Millie Gash arauga let me just congratulate you, achana na hawa quick recovery sweetheart. Na Jiwa Last Junior arauga pole sana my dear, and I hope the sickness is one of those which come out with good news, quick recovery. Na Tain Albertine arauga uko na morning sickness Muthoni Mukiri. Na Yvette Linda arauga usicheze na mimba, Baby Ruto on board, congratulations Muthoni. Na in fact, even looking at her social media pages, both Facebook na Instagram, ndakoretwo akirekereria new photos. All the photos that she has been sharing recently, ciothe nĩ mbica cia tene, she hasn't shared any new photo. Na angĩkorwo nĩguo she's expecting her first child, then we wish her all the best. Mena mũthuri wake Isaac, tukamendithĩria all the best as they welcome their first baby. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe gũkũ gwa Kikuyu Entertainment News, kũrĩa tũkũrehagĩra the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news as soon as they happen. Join the team, subscribe now, and you'll never miss an update.